Alright, Pathway Chippers, we're back for part 2 of how to figure out square footage. Remember, we're doing it to the foot, which is 12 inches. We measured this in the last lesson. Remember what we did. Came out to 12 feet by 12 feet. Okay, so if we take 12 feet by 12 feet, we're going to multiply it. 12 times 12 equals 144. So how many square feet is the deck? Think about it. This is not complicated. This is pretty easy. Wait a minute. If we're going to use our square foot, this is a foot by foot. Think about it. That's 1 square foot. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. That's how many tiles you're going to need to cover that. So on that, we're going to test this using a different measurement. I'm going to try and measure it with my rope right now that we made up in lesson 1 on making measuring tools. So I'm not the only one here, so I'm going to put a piece of wood on the end to make sure that we've got this measured out. And I put a piece of tape at every foot, 12 inches. We stretch this out, and now we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Comes out to the same as what we did with the tape measure. And remember, 12 inches is 1 foot. So you ask, is there another way that we can measure? Yeah, we can use our foot. So we're going to start at the edge, and we're going to go toe to toe and come up with a measurement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Came out to 12 feet. So now we have the measurement. Hang on a second, we're going to try it with a different size of area and actually put down some tile. Alright, so now we're going to try this again. If you look down here, I've put tape out for the size of our area that we want to measure. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure this. Look at that. 3 foot. 36 inches, 3 foot. And we get the same thing going this way. We get to 3 foot. Okay, so with the calculations that we've done, we have 3 foot by 3 foot. So doing it the same way as we did with the first exercise, 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So how many square feet? 9. So let's test this out and see if this works. Over here I have 9 tiles. I'm going to lay these tiles out in that square, and let's see if it estimates the right number of tiles that we're going to need if we wanted to tile that area. Alright, there you go. We measured that 3 times 3, so it's 3 foot by 3 foot. How many tiles did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tiles. That gives you the estimate of how many materials and tiles you'll need to actually tile that area. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.